Hello everyone. In today's video, we will explore how GitHub Copilot can help developers write better code and generate unit test cases faster, all with the power of AI. So let's first understand what is GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered coding assistant developed by GitHub and OpenAI. It suggests code in real time, helping you write functions, logics, and even complete classes by predicting what you need next, just like autocomplete, but in a smarter way. So the main features are it is AI powered coding assistant trained on billions of lines of code. It can help in suggesting you code, how to write functions, and also the logical part. It also can be integrated into VS Code, JetBrains, and more. So it can help the developers to write a code in a better manner. Now, let's understand why we use Copilot. So, it boosts your productivity by helping you code faster with few errors. It's great for beginners to learn new coding patterns and perfect for experienced developers who want to save time on boilerplate code and testing. So, it can help you in writing a better code in both the cases. If you are a new developer who has just started writing code, it can help you to understand how to write a code, and if you are an experienced developer, then also it can help you. So main features are it increases productivity, it saves time on repetitive tasks, it generates unit test cases instantly, and you can help yourself by learning new coding patterns with the help of Copilot, and it supports multiple languages. Now let's understand how we can use Copilot for unit test cases. So one of the best uses of Copilot is for writing unit tests. It understands the logic of your functions and it suggests relevant test cases using popular testing frameworks like Jest for JavaScript, PyTest for Python, and Unit Test for Java. So it suggests test cases automatically. It understands your code logic in a better manner, and it creates test, as I told you, like it can create test using Jest, PyTest, unit test, depending on the technology you are using. And the test cases that it provides are very higher in coverage also, and they are very fast, right? So you can use that in creating your unit test cases, because in most of the projects unit test cases are very important for every components, and the test coverage is also should be around 80 to 85% normally in most of the projects. So you can better use Copilot for unit testing. Now let's understand how we can write a function with Copilot. Let's say you want to write a calculate discount function. As you start typing, Copilot will automatically suggest the rest of the function, because it has huge database and huge code in it. So whenever you are writing it, it can auto suggest you input validation, discount logic, return value, and also including input validation as told you, whatever the logic you are putting. So if you are just writing and you have configured Copilot, then it automatically suggests you what to write in next line. So it is very helpful when you are writing a function with Copilot. Now, writing unit test with Copilot. So when you switch to your test file, Copilot can generate unit tests for different scenarios, such as a valid discount, 0%, or invalid input. It saves hours of manual work. So you can use it when you are writing unit tests, and it can suggest you for writing valid discount, zero discount, how you can test your edge cases. So it creates the test cases by default and by helping you, by suggesting you. But the question exists: is it safe to use Copilot? Should we use it? So the answer should be, while Copilot is powerful, it is always important to review your AI generated code so that it does not add some extra code, some unnecessary things to it, which can be very insecure later on. So avoid using it for confidential logic and ensure your code complies with licensing laws. It's a tool to assist, not to replace. Your judgment, you have to take it wisely, you have to think it wisely. So never ever push your confidential information in Copilot. It can be very harmful and it can be a breach to your security, and your client is not going to be very happy with you in that case. So whenever you are using Copilot, always review your AI generated code. Don't expose sensitive data. Always comply with licensing and IP laws, and always use it in secure dev environments. Now, there are few pro tips which we are going to share with you using Copilot. Use comments to give Copilot instructions like double slash, write a function to, and it will do the rest. Keep function names clean and descriptive. Combine Copilot with linting tools to ensure code quality. Use comments to guide Copilot is very important thing which you can assign to Copilot. It will automatically create a function based on the comment, and the functions which you want to have, you should write clear function names actually, and accept or reject suggestions quickly. And whatever the functions it provides you, whatever the suggestions it provides you, it helps you. It iterates for better results, and it pairs with linting tools, so you can use these things to better utilize a Copilot. So these are the tips which you can use. So comments are very important. Function name should be proper, and accept or reject suggestions quickly. Whatever, if it's not required that every time you are accepting the suggestion, you can reject also whatever it is shown by Copilot. And linting tools are very helpful in writing a clean code, sorry, so you can use it with lint tools. Now, the final thought. Copilot, you cannot say that Copilot is just a tool. It's an AI tool. It is more than a tool. It's a coding companion which can help you writing a better code. It helps you code smarter and faster, especially when writing unit tests. So most of the developers, they find difficulty in writing unit tests, so they make use of this tool for writing unit tests. So just remember to review everything and keep learning. So whatever you are using, whatever AI tool you are using, it's your responsibility to not to share sensitive information, confidential information, and always make sure to review your code before finally pushing it to some higher environments or merging the code. And it embrace AI in development. Use it as much as possible, but wisely. So now, in the end, we will just request you to please subscribe to our channel, like the videos, comment as much as possible, share this video developer friends, follow us, and stay tuned for more AI powered dev tutorials. Hope you like it, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, share it with your fellow developers. So thanks for watching.